What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nazareth and I am here to show you guys how I apply Kisses mink lashes and their nails today. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and how they look on me. And yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. I'll leave all the information down below on where you can shop. You can get these at Dollar General, and yeah, they're very good quality, very good. I've tried one of them and I loved it. Very good quality and for the fraction of the cost. Like, you don't have to go to a salon to get your nails done. You don't have to spend crazy amount of money on falsies and glue. You could get it all at Dollar General and look good on a budget. So let's begin. So this is one of their Mink Effect eyelashes. This is from their collection, Mink Effect. This one's called Harris, and look at that. Look at that eyelash. It looks beautiful. It's perfect for like date night and or if you want to stay at home but look good. These eyelashes will bring that look to life. And the nails that I'm going to be putting on today is from their Fantasy Ready to Wear Amazing Gel look. This is in their long length and it has little marble details, some like nice nude mauve color that's perfect for this time of year. And they're already in like a coffin shape, so it's all there for you. You just need to glue them on and you'll be ready to go. The glue is sold separately, so buy the glue, you glue them onto your fingers, and that's it. Okay guys, so I already applied one of the lashes. So right here I am just shaping the lash, and I'm going to be eyeing where exactly I'm going to place that lash before I apply the glue. This way I have an idea of where the lash is going to go on my eye. Okay, now it's time to glue, and I am using their Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive, and this is a black adhesive. I make sure to only apply a thin layer. I don't want too much glue on there. I don't want things to get crazy. Then I let the glue dry a little bit for 30 seconds and then apply the eyelash. So my little technique is to grab a little mirror, hold it at an angle, and start from the middle and then work my way out. So that way the lash is already on my eye and I can attach the side pieces to my eye. Then I take these tweezers and just kind of adjust the band a little bit, try to get it as close as I can to my lash line, and try to blend my eyelashes as much as I can with the falsies. Then I apply some mascara just to blend my real lashes to the falsies and just for everything to look put together. So this is what the eyelashes look like. Very nice, very dramatic, but very beautiful. And now it's time for the nails. So basically you just have to apply their brush on glue to your nails and to the acrylic nail if you wish, if you want a stronger hold. And you apply that and you press on the nail very hard for about 10 seconds and repeat that whole process on the rest of your nails. After, I just file the tip of the nail a bit just to make it straighter and cleaner, and that's about it, you guys. That's the full set put on. Literally only took me 10 minutes. So easy, and they look so professionally done and at a fraction of the cost. So this whole look literally was so effortless. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys on my next one.